Hello all, I'm Mike Havey with Oak Creek Fire Department, here to welcome you to Fire Prevention Week 2020, with this year's theme is Serving Up Fire Safety in the Kitchen. Although, unfortunately, we will not be out in the schools this year presenting our programs, but we did create some great videos to give you the fire prevention message. So stay tuned and stay safe.
Hello everyone, I'm Firefighter Resner coming to you from Oak Creek Fire Station number 1 Kitchen. And on behalf of Fire Prevention Week 2020, we are here to talk about safety in the kitchen. Residential cooking is the leading cause of fires at one's home. So let's start by showing you how to be safe in the kitchen. As you can see, my cooking area is quite cluttered. So I'm going to start by removing some of these items that are flammable. You want a nice clean surface area for cooking. As this can get quite hot, anything too close to the stove can catch on fire. Also, my pots and pans. As you can see, I have the handles out because it's easy to hold them. However, that's not safe. You would want to turn these handles in where nobody could walk by and bump into them, or a smaller brother or sister could grab them and pull the hot pan on their face. If you would have a cooking fire in one of your pots or pans, you would want to put on your hot pads that you should have handy, grab a lid, cover the burning material, and turn off the stove. When we talk about cooking in the oven, these can get quite hot, over 400 degrees in most cases. I'm wearing short sleeves at the time, but if you were to wear long sleeves, you should roll them up before you open the oven. Stand back to allow some of the heat to remove. Reach in with 2 hands and carefully remove the hot item. Lastly, it's important to have a 3-foot area in front of the stove and oven that is free from any rugs, toys, or other belongings that could become tripping hazards. I hope you learned something today, and be safe while cooking.
Hello everybody, my name is Firefighter Runge with a few more cooking points. With the holidays coming up, families will be doing a lot more cooking at home. Thanksgiving is one of the leading causes of fires involving cooking equipment. I have an example here of a potential hazard involving electrical cords. With them being loose hanging, it becomes a potential hazard with people pulling at the cords when they walk past. One way to solve this would be to unplug and use an outlet on the countertop instead to keep the electrical cords away from any potential dangers. When you're done using the appliance, unplug them and set them aside so that it prevents any further fires.
Let's talk about grill safety. Assume that grills are always hot. Keep your toys and anything that can catch fire away from the grill. And most importantly, remind your parents to always have the grill clean on the inside to prevent grill fires.